Welcome to Distance Learning, English for JSS 1. And I know you are ready for the lesson. Well, I have another one on listening and speaking for you. Today's revision. In the last lesson, we learned about vowels 4 and 5. We learned that vowels 4 and 5 are pure vowels. Vowels 4 and 5 are pure vowels. Vowel 4 is and vowel 5 is a. Vowel 4 is and vowel 5 is a. Vowel 4 is a short vowel, but vowel 5 is a long vowel. Vowel 4 is a short vowel, but vowel 5 is a long vowel. Vowel 4 sounds a, and vowel 5 sounds a. Vowel 4 sounds a, and vowel 5 sounds a. Some letter patterns convey vowels 4 and 5 in some words, but the same letters do not sound. In the conversation we heard, pot, not, want, dog, and officer. Repeat them after me. Pot, not, want, dog, officer. All the words have vowel 6 or in them. Remember, vowel 6 is a short vowel, and so do not prolong the vowel. If you prolong it, you make it vowel 7, and that is wrong. Here is a list of words for you. Say them after me. Remember, practice makes perfect. Pot, cot, pot, cot, tot, cock, pot, cock. Holiday, font, holiday, font. Lobster, short, lobster, short. Quality, wonder, quality, wonder. Cough, dot, off, dot, dawn, long, dawn, long. Lock, log, lock, log. Loss, lost, loss, lost. Domino, cloth, domino, cloth. Clock, clog, clock, clog. Got, lot, got, lot. Stock and lorry. So now you have no excuse to pronounce quality as quality and wonder as wonder. All the words contain vowel 6. Can you add to the list? You can do so with the help of your dictionary. Look out for the meaning of unfamiliar words with the sound so that you build up your vocabulary at the same time. You notice here too that various letter patterns produce vowel 6. For example, the letter O, as in pot, cot, tot, forest, and stock. The letter O, as in pot, cot, tot, forest, and stock. The letters AN as in wonder. The letters AN as in wonder. The letters UA as in quality. The letters UA as in quality. Be careful, however, because the same letter patterns produce different sounds in other words. Now, let us look at vowel 7, or we have said that it is longer than vowel 6. Unfortunately, many Ghanaians confuse it with vowel 6 and vice versa. We must guard against that by practicing constantly. Here is a list of words with vowel 7. Water, port, horse. Water, port, horse. Board, saw, floor. Board, saw, floor. Fort, court, sword, fort, court, sword. More, door, forefinger. More, door, forefinger. Foreground, foreman, and lord. Foreground, foreman, and lord. With your dictionary, add to the list. Note again that the sound is represented through different letters in writing. Here are some sentences. Listen to them well and identify the words with vowel 7. The young teacher bought a new door for the store. The young teacher bought a new door for the store. Ghanaians must show more love to one another. Ghanaians must show more love to one another. Paul saw the sword on the floor and hid it under the board. Paul saw the sword on the floor and hid it under the board. Many Ghanaians travel abroad only to clean floors. Many Ghanaians travel abroad only to clean floors. Place the cot beside the water pot under the tree in the courtyard. Place the cot beside the water pot under the tree in the courtyard. The lorry driver tooted the horn abnormally. The lorry driver tooted the horn abnormally. Have you identified the words with vowel 7? I hope it was not too difficult. Well, here are the words underlined for you. The young teacher bought a new door for the store. The young teacher bought a new door for the store. Ghanaians must show more love to one another. Ghanaians must show more love to one another. Paul saw the sword on the floor and hid it under the board. Paul saw the sword on the floor and hid it under the board. Many Ghanaians travel abroad only to clean floors. Many Ghanaians travel abroad only to clean floors. Place the cot beside the water pot under the tree in the courtyard. Place the cot beside the water pot under the tree in the courtyard. And the lorry driver tooted the horn abnormally. The lorry driver tooted the horn abnormally. Shall we watch our friends and see how they use our new vowels?
Hey, come back here, both of you.
Let them wander around. You know they are supposed to enjoy themselves here.
It's not safe, Koshi. Keep an eye on them while I go get our passes, okay?
Okay. And where are you getting them?
In that building, those are the offices.
Wow.
This one is very big. No, this is bigger. This is the biggest. Can't you see?
What is it?
The lion scared us.
What happened?
It was the lion. It scared us.
Oh, it's okay. It won't come out of the cage, okay? It's okay.
I'm not letting both of you out of my sight, huh? Let's go. Yeah, welcome to Accra Zoo.
Thank you.
Accra Zoo was established in 1961 by the first president of Ghana. That was his private thing, but it's no more a private zoo. It is a national zoo. We have different classifications